Welcome to Next Level Toys. Today we are doing Buddy L vehicles. This is an old Buddy L tow truck from the 1980s. We still have the working hitch there. And there's the bottom of it. The decals still look okay. And we've got some lights on the top. I don't think they actually light up. I don't see no way to put batteries in there. And we got an older Buddy L tow truck here. Has the old metal hitch there. Pretty basic, isn't it? This is a definite 70s. And cool back in there. How many of y'all like Hershey Kisses? Because that's what this truck is delivering. Buddy L, made in Japan. I believe this one's from the 80s. And it also has the trailer that goes with it. You open this up, and they used to have Hershey chocolates in here. I think I had a few Kisses here and a candy bar there. It's a very nice older piece. Then we've got the front end of a Buddy L circus truck. I love circus themed items. This is one of my favorites because it's in great shape. But over the years, one of the tires actually did split, which is fairly common. Besides that, this is the cool part of it. Buddy L Circus. It is all metal except for the door. I think it had farm animals when it came with it. I'm not sure. But if you didn't, then we could put some in there. Japan. There's what it looks like together. Now we're saving my best one for last. It is the Buddy L Texaco gasoline hauler. All metal. It's got the Texaco logos. This is definitely mid-early 70s. In very nice shape. And the cool thing about this wonderful piece is we got the Texaco gasoline hauler. And this thing is mostly metal. The caps on the front and back are plastic. And the top little piece here is plastic. But all this is metal, as well as the bottom. It's actually fairly heavy. There's what it looks like together. I love the decals on this. The only concern with the circus truck is if you can let me know. You would think the front end would say Circus on it somewhere. So, did it or did it not? I'm not sure. That's going to do it for today. We hope you enjoyed today's show with our older buddyl vehicles here. Till then, we will see you next time. Until then, happy hunting out there.